Welcome to qnawire.
At a large university, so that's a probability of 0.3 for any randomly selected student. And for part A of the question, we're asked in a group of 12 students, randomly chosen, what is the probability that fewer than 3 are freshmen? So let's first define a random variable x as the number of freshmen in the group of 12. In this situation, each of the 12 people can be thought of as Bernoulli trials with two outcomes of interest, is either a freshman or not. And since it's a random group, randomly selected group, their outcomes are independent. And so the number of successes in a fixed number of independent Bernoulli trials is a binomial random variable. So here we can say x is a binomial with parameters n equals 12 trials and p equals 0.3 probability of success on each trial. And so we want probability of fewer than 3. That's the probability that x is smaller than 3. In terms of a cumulative probability, this is the probability that x is at most 2. Let's solve this using Excel. Start with an equal sign. We look for the binomial distribution function. We select that function, enter 2 for the number of successes, 12 trials, 0.3 probability of success, and we enter true for the cumulative argument to get the probability of any number of successes from 0 up to 2. We hit enter and we get 0.2528 approximately. And then for part B, we consider a group of 10 students, randomly chosen. We want the probability that more than 3 are freshmen. So this is still a random variable, but we'll give it a different letter because it's a different distribution from the family of binomial random variables. This time it's 10 trials with 0.3 probability of success. So what is the probability that y is greater than 3? This is equal to 1 minus the probability that y is at most 3. Let's go back to Excel for this. So equals, so this time 1 minus first, then binomial distribution function. Then we enter 3 for the number of successes, 10 trials this time. We get 0.3504.